Hi guys, my name is Paul. I run Paul Smith Primitive Bushcraft. I'm joined by Joe. We're down at the Bushcraft Show. Over the weekend I've decided I'm going to be doing two different courses. I decided I'm going to split it up this year. Last year, you guys might have seen it, I was doing some pottery. I have decided to do pottery again this year, so we've been busy making some pots. Had lots of different courses come in, so there's been 6 or 7 workshops throughout the day and 10 people a class, so we've just been hammering out different pots. And it's been amazing seeing the items people make. I love teaching pottery because it's one of those skills where I teach people how to make it and make sure it doesn't blow up. And after that, I just get to hand the clay to them and just get to see what's going on in their heads. So we've had people making like race cars, we've had snowmen, despite the fact that we're all burning up out here. And we've had sort of the adults making the more functional pots and stuff. So it's been really good. Pottery is just one of those skills that's just got that sort of creative element to it, allows you to enter that sort of flow state. So we've been running that yesterday. Today we are working on mushrooms. So some of you may sort of follow my work might know that I've got a bit of a love of mycology. So today we've been doing an introduction to mycology, just to kind of get people familiar with the mushrooms that we tend to use in the bushcraft space. So we've got like a collection of them here. We're using sort of horsehoof mushrooms, birch polypore, chaga, all the usual suspects, the ones that people love. And I've been kind of covering all the different uses for them. Everything from sort of firelighting to the craft materials, talking about amadou, that sort of stuff. And also experimenting and talking about the medicinal uses for different mushrooms. And lichens as well, of course, playing their part. It's been a fantastic weekend. It's been very busy, non-stop, great atmosphere, and lots of happy people walking around. So it's been a pleasure to share this with everyone, and I hope maybe I'll see some of you guys here someday soon.
Before we leave, can you just show me that pouch again that you made out of mushrooms?
Yeah, of course. So this is made from the horsehoof mushroom. A lot of us will be familiar with that. It's one we use for firelighting quite a lot of the time. And we make amadou from it. Now amadou is a material that's made from the trauma layer of this mushroom. It's only amadou when you start to process it. We usually just end up making like little fine pieces for our firelight kits. You know, you might use it for flint and steel, but actually you can produce these amazing sheets of it, and you can be used as a craft material. This is particularly prominent in Romania. Romania is actually the last place in the world. There's only 5 or 6 families left that know how to do this, and I've been sort of following their pages and sort of trying to glean information from them. And over the years, 3 years to be exact, I sort of figured out how to make these sheets and produce little craft items like this. So I watched these mushrooms grow for almost a year and a half before I decided to pick them up and actually start carving them. But again, it goes to show the amount of variety there is when it comes to the uses of mushrooms.
That's nice. And where can we find you?
So all my social medias you'll find, I've got YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff, and it's all just Paul Smith Primitive Bushcraft. And feel free to message me if I can help you with anything at all, and I hope to bump into you again soon.